You can't have a conversation with a customer and not talk about cost reduction. Everybody out there is screaming for the challenges that they have to do more with less. The challenges, of course, that our customers are facing are the exploding exponential growth in data.
Once you start to try to scale out a database across an army of distributed servers, the overhead from the locking, it becomes necessarily impossible to be able to scale it in any meaningful way.
The zEnterprise has literally started a trend that's going to go for at least the next decade of actually bringing customers back to the mainframe and being able to optimize the workloads and their labor force in the most cost-efficient, high-performance way possible. The zEnterprise launch in September has reinvigorated the entire mainframe community. The adoption of the zEnterprise, I think it's over 500 different boxes, over 1.5 million net new MIPS in the marketplace.
It really does standardize the configuration, right? The underlying hardware and the underlying middleware that's going to be shipped with the box allows you to have and understand the topology of what the customer is running at the outset. All of the things that you see, on the zManager user interface are going to be available to management programs through a set of programming interfaces, APIs, to be able to drive the system, and allow some of the policy-based tools that we have today to drive this infrastructure in a much more effective way than a human being could. I don't have to worry about having one set of APIs to the mainframe side, one set of APIs to the P side, one set of APIs to the X side. I have one set of APIs, and it makes the job of the ISV that much easier because now my software is much more common.
So somebody with much less experience can ramp up very quickly and help to harness and unleash the power that has been embedded in the 196.
The software that we're going to put on zEnterprise will actually be self-managing. It'll understand if you've added blades or changed blades or upgraded software. The biggest benefit of doing it this way is you don't make mistakes. The software and the geometry between the software is always maintained by the underlying management software. IBM has done a tremendous job of making the incremental cost of mainframe much lower than it was.
That plays absolutely right into the hand of the zEnterprise, the hand of the 114, as it's going to be a smaller, more cost-effective unit for smaller organizations. And with the upcoming launch of the 114, I actually think it has the opportunity to expand the footprint of the mainframe, to increase the number of net new customers, and to sustain the growth of the platform for many, many years.